Hi, Killian. Hey, do you have the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? Can you say something? You can just say the hiccups. Can you say something? Apparently not.